Today I managed to complete my first Agentic AI. That is an agent that runs with a brain and makes predictions on the index markets. It's really exciting and it's given me some really interesting results that are really awesome. So it's self-learning. Over time, it learns from previous predictions and just improves upon itself. An example, just running through the code, you'll see that running through the Python, the Agentic AI will go through the indexes and start making predictions. These predictions go into a database. The database collates the information. The AI agent pulls up previous predictions, it scores them, rates them, looks for confluence, looks for any divergence. Any divergence is analyzed, it feeds back into the next predictions. So it is a self-learning process, yeah, really exciting. So this one ran, and it's very quick. That ran for the China index, China 50. I can also run it for all indexes. So running the pipeline, it'll then actually go and execute and run for all of the various indexes that I've set up for analysis. The output of that is JSON files that feed into the robot for trade execution. While I'm not executing yet because the Agentic AI is in training, it is pretty exciting. I'm getting some very good results coming out. It does email me, so whenever it's come up with a prediction, an email is sent to myself, and it's got all the information about the symbol, the prediction over the next 14 days, the stop loss, trade entry, take profit, etc. It looks at all of the high scoring articles from my article pipeline. All of those articles are pulled in. They are rated for relevance against the symbols and sentiment and divergence, as you can see here. I can actually click through, so all of I can actually see what the Agentic AI is using as it's inputting into the process and its thinking mechanism. And I can even click through and go and bring up any of those articles. So if I was to bring up, say, this article here, then as we can see, this is one of the articles that it's read, scanned through. It's rated as a high scoring rating to be included in the pipeline. So anyway, that is the AI. The Agentic AI goes live today for the Beast AI. Really exciting, and looking forward to see as it learns over the next period of time. It'll take about 14 days before it's got enough learning data to get better and better. After 14 days, then it'll just continue to compound and analyze and get better and better upon its predictions. So yeah, really looking forward to see how this goes, but yeah, very exciting. So anyway, that's it. That is the Beast AI's first Agentic AI pipeline, where Agentic AI is basically LLM AI with a brain. So it's acting like a real person sitting there, making decisions, going and fetching data, doing actions, performing tasks, and coming up with predictions. These continually run over and over and over on a scheduler on the Beast server, and we'll continue to spit out trade recommendations, and eventually we'll hook up into the robot. Anyway, that's my analysis for today. And yeah, so that's all run through now, and really exciting to see what comes of it over the next few days.